Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Pisces, and I'll be picking two more cards. One for your This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards, guys. We have Man, Moon and Fish. So with these cards, guys, Pisces, in your situation, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you have a great potential, and you are facing lot of challenges today, and you have great ambition for yourself, guys, and you are someone who is really responsible, and you protect the people in your situation, and you are you have that you are someone who protects his own, maybe your friends or family, and who is really responsible, guys, in your situation, maybe in your career or in your relationship. You are someone who can be relied on. And today, maybe for some of you, you are getting a lot of opportunities or offers coming your way, something that is taking you towards success, and something that is giving you lucrative returns. So whatever you worked for, you are getting it, guys. And maybe you are working too much, or you are too responsible. Your concentration is on work. You are making a lot of effort, spending time to come up in life. Maybe you have great dreams for yourself, some great aspirations, and you are doing that, but you are not having that concentration in your personal life. Maybe, guys, you are not paying them attention, or you are not spending enough time with them, with this person you love. So that may cause some kind of troubles for you in your relationship. And maybe it is time you go for moderation, guys. Maybe there is a time for work and there is a time for play. So you need to have that balance. Be really flexible today, guys. Pisces, if you want to be successful in your career as well as in your relationship. And you are someone who has a lot of dreams and goals, huge aspirations. That is what we were talking about. And maybe you are dreaming about this person you love. You have great future plans. But all you need to do is you need to make those efforts, guys. Maybe you have plans, but you are not spending time with them, with this person. So you need to go for that action. If you want this life with this person you love, you have to make concrete efforts to win their affection, to be with them, spend time with them, guys. Pisces, so that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Tower. So there are some great changes happening in this relationship, guys. Maybe things are not going in a positive way. Just like we saw with the previous cards, you have your concentration in work. Maybe you are avoiding this person for some reason. Maybe you are avoiding them, or they are avoiding you, because you feel that this may not be the right time. You want to do well in your career situation first, then move on to love. Or this may be their energy, guys, towards you. So that may be the reason, but there are huge changes happening in this connection in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, it may even be a time for a break between you both guys, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Sun. So, all that you wish for, all that you desire is going to reach you in your career situation, guys. And this Sun is a very positive card here, guys. So, maybe even in your relationship, things may or may not be going well, but maybe the negative energy will be mitigated and things will fall into place very soon, guys, if you are facing difficulties in your relationship, guys, Pisces. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that Maybe for some of you, you are what to say, trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become what to say, someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family, or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spend too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.